Reggae Boys head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore says he's impressed with the intensity shown by the players ahead of Friday's World Cup qualifier against El Salvador in San Salvador. Simon Preston reports.
The Reggae Boys arrived in Central America on Monday evening to squeeze in an additional training session ahead of the November window of World Cup qualifying. So far, Coach Whitmore has given the thumbs up to the effort of the players.
Very pleased with the enthusiasm of the players, the camaraderie is good, the vibes in the camp is good. Pleased with what we have seen this morning at the session and looking forward for final session tomorrow and the game.
Reggae Boys defender Greg Lee says he's delighted to be back in the Jamaican team after a long layoff due to injury. The 27-year-old left-back, who last played for Jamaica against Saudi Arabia last year, spoke about what he has been working on.
Obviously, I was out for quite a while last year. I got injured in March and didn't make it back until July. But since I've been back in, I've worked really hard on my defensive side of the game. I think it's one thing that I thrive at with regards to how I play. I really take pride in sort of defending and making sure people don't get crosses by me, or I defend very well aerially, so I like to been working on that personally.
Central defender Liam Moore also returns after missing the last window due to injury and is hoping to build on the 4 points the team picked up in October.
I watched the games back from the UK when I was injured, and I thought there's some positives, obviously some clean sheets, and talking about moving forward now, it will be just continuing to grow from that, so trying to keep more clean sheets and getting as many points on the board as we can. Put us in a good position for the international fixtures coming up in the new year.
The Jamaicans will face El Salvador in San Salvador on November 12 before hosting the United States at the National Stadium on November 16. The Reggae Boys have won 10, lost 5 and drawn 6 matches against El Salvador. The Reggae Boys are currently 6th in the octagon on 5 points. They are 3 points off 4th position and 5 points off 3rd. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.